One sunny afternoon, Peter Pettigrew, a small and fluffy white rabbit, hopped out of his burrow with a twinkle in his eyes. "I wonder where my friends are," he thought, looking around. He headed towards the meadow, where he often met his friends. As he hopped along, he spotted a shiny object glistening in the sunlight. It was a tiny golden key. Peter picked it up, and he felt a strange warmth in his paw. "This key must belong to something," he said to himself. He decided to find out. He hopped quickly to the old oak tree, where he knew the wise old owl lived. "Owl," he called, "I've found something special. A tiny golden key. Do you know what it opens?" The owl thought for a moment. "The key might open the treasure chest of kindness," she said. "It's hidden deep in the forest, but only those who are kind and helpful can find it." Peter felt a shiver of excitement. He had always wanted to find the treasure chest of kindness. He set off, determined to find it. He hopped through the forest, helping a bird build a nest, sharing a carrot with a squirrel, and soothing a crying baby deer. With every act of kindness, he felt a sense of joy. Finally, he arrived at the foot of an ancient tree, where the treasure chest of kindness was said to be hidden. He knocked 3 times, and the chest opened with a creak. Inside, Peter found a pile of golden coins, but he didn't take any. Instead, he filled his pockets with seeds and carrots, and he hopped back home. Back in his burrow, he shared his treats with his friends. They were amazed by his adventure and the treasures he had brought. From that day on, Peter Pettigrew was known as the kindest rabbit in the forest. And whenever you see a fluffy white rabbit with a twinkle in his eyes, it's probably Peter Pettigrew, spreading kindness wherever he goes.